Today's video gonna talk about how to fix Twitter age restricted content problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings, okay, and scroll down to the apps section, and then go to the search and search Twitter or X Twitter. Sorry, and then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked, and if it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the Wi-Fi off and on, or the Bluetooth or the iPlan mode. Also, you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the Twitter or the X's data will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.